The 3-in-1 rotating game table from Triumph offers 3 great games on one sturdy table. Perfect for family game rooms, break rooms, and rec rooms, the rotating tabletop features built-in billiards and air hockey with a manual slide-on cover for table tennis. The air hockey game is powered by a 110-volt 60Hz all-standard blower that plugs into a regular wall outlet. The table measures 84 inches long overall and is equipped with leg levelers to ensure a steady and level play surface for all games. The table comes ready to play with all billiards, air hockey, and table tennis game accessories included. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Play 3 great games on one table: air hockey, billiards, and table tennis. Number 2. Your purchase includes one Triumph 3-in-1 Swivel Multigame Table, one set of billiard balls, 2 57-inch cues, one triangle, 2 chalks, one table brush, 2 air hockey pushers, 2 red pucks, 2 table tennis balls, 2 paddles, net and post set. Number 3. Overall table dimensions: 84 inches length by 44.5 width by 32 inches height. Number 4. Rotating swivel table changes games from one to another in seconds. Number 5. The patented central air distribution system provides even airflow throughout the table. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.